Beep beep! Coming through! I like to travel in style. It's the only way. Woohoo! Time for class. I better lock my scooter. You can't be too careful. Hang on. What's that? They see me rollin'! This is my ride! What do you think? Check this out. Just give me a moment. That's it! Stop! Stop! It's out of control! So this is how it ends? Ah! This is gonna be close! Is it over? Are you crazy? I could have been hurt! You're so annoying! Oops. My steering wheel. I'll take it with me. Sha-la-la-la. I love this song. But class is about to start. Is something wrong? Howdy, neighbor. How's it going? Good? Why is she talking to me? I've got earphones. Pretty neat, huh? Pretend you didn't see that. Wires? Wow. Never mind. They still work. Whatever. Take a look at this. It's the latest model. Jealous? No. Not really. Well, maybe a little. Hang on. What's that in the trash can? It's a piece of cardboard. This gives me an idea. I just need to make a few adjustments. What is she doing now? No way. The keyboard's ready. Now I need a screen. This printout will do the job. Now I have a laptop. Who's jealous now? That is so tragic. You're missing something? That's what makes the difference. Ah, I've got it. I've got an apple too. I'll place it on the cardboard. And tape it in place. I don't want it falling off. That should do it. You need to see this. You actually did that? That's hilarious. Whatever. I'm happy with it. That's the main thing. Ugh, I'm exhausted. I need to cool down. Butler.
Your golden fan, ma'am. Allow me. One cool breeze just for you.
Oh, that's good. Whoa! That's what I need. I can use this cardboard. Ah, much better. You're doing it by hand. I never get my hands dirty. So it's like that? I'll show you. You're right. That is good. Did you just steal my cool breeze? That's mine. Ah, I love this. Ugh, don't do that. I want it. Stop doing that. Point it this way. Never.
How's it going, class? Whoa, whoa! I'm getting dizzy. Stop!
She started it. What?
There's only one thing for it.
I can't look. Is it safe? What's she doing?
I need to show you something. Watch this. I'll place my jumpsuit over the fan. You get a leg each.
I'm so confused. I have no idea what's going on.
Wait for it. I'll turn the fan on. Look at it go!
Whoa! This is amazing! It feels great! Ugh, let's get this over with. I've got a shopping spree planned. I need a quick snack. This brownie will hit the spot. Look at that chocolatey goodness. Mmm, delicious. I needed that. And I can use this paper for class. Okay. I better get a pencil. Hang on. I can't use this. Look at it. It's teeny. It's ridiculous. What am I gonna do? That's your pencil. That's embarrassing. I had these pencils customized in Paris. Whoa! Can I have one? You want one of my pencils? Absolutely not. Ugh, you're so mean. That's life. I'm done with this. Hold up. That gives me an idea. I'll take that. I like this soda. There must be something left. What's that noise? Oh, now I've seen everything. Time to get to work. I'll lay the straw on the table. I'll place a pencil at one end, and the other pencil at this end. It's the perfect fit. Now I have a new pencil. Let's try it out. It works. Oh, are you for real? I would never be seen with that. Which pencil should I use? This one.
Stretch it out! Feel the burn!
Ugh, do we have to?
Stop! Let's work up a sweat!
I hate this.
No pain, no win!
I don't want any gains.
I have an idea. Maybe this'll motivate you.
Is that chocolate? You've got a deal!
Don't stop! Let go! Wait!
Tasty! Sorry about that.
I'm done with this! We need a different approach. This might work.
Huh? What's she doing?
What do you think? Just look at those golden sands!
Whoa! I wanna go there! Here goes! I need to be beach ready!
Phew, it's working. I'll be back later.
Gotta keep going!
That's so funny. Ready to start? It'll be fun.
I don't think so. I've got better things to do. Selfie!
Come on, you'll enjoy it.
You won't leave me alone, huh? Just give me the weights. Ew, gross. You want me to use these? Look at them. This is disgusting. I'm not touching those. Hello? I need your help. Now I wait. Let me see them.
Okay.
That's much better. I need to look good when I'm working out.
Yeah! That's it!
I look cute.
Are you kidding me? Hey! Knock it off! Don't make me use a whistle!
Ah! Don't do that!
Okay, let's run on the spot. Go on.
No, I don't do running. Ah, I know.
Look what I've got. Put this on.
What's going on? What's happening?
Just give me a second. And play!
Oh, this changes everything. Look at those golden sands.
I knew you'd like it. My work here is done.
Woohoo! Nothing can stop me.
Wait! No!
Ow!
Maybe that wasn't a good idea. I'm gonna go now.
It doesn't matter how many zeros are in your bank account. School is the same for everyone. What's your favorite subject at school? Remember to share this video with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos.